happier, healthier, and adds years to your life. We're not talking about magic pill here. We're talking about loving relationships. And maybe you have wondered if it's too late to fall in love again. That's one of the most common questions I hear from singles over 50. But here's the truth: science and real life both say that opening your heart again later in life can actually make you happier, healthier, and live even longer. Hi, I'm Eija, and I help singles over 50 find meaningful love. Today, I want to share why dating in your 50s, 60s, and beyond isn't just a romantic idea. It's one of the best things you can do for your emotional and physical well being. So, let's go through 5 things how loving relationships can affect your well being. Number one, emotional well being. The Harvard study of adult development, which is one of the world's longest running happiness study, found that good relationships are the biggest predictor of happy life. After 50, the sense of connection becomes even more valuable. New relationships can ignite laughter, excitement, sense of belonging, all of which are powerful antidotes of loneliness. Number two, health benefits. Research from National Institute of Aging shows that love and companionships aren't just good for your heart emotionally, it's good for your heart physically. Emotional closeness lowers blood pressure, reduces stress, and even strengthens your immune system. In fact, studies show that people with social and romantic ties live longer, healthier lives. Number three, emotional maturity. One of the best parts of dating later in life is emotional maturity. You know what matters, what doesn't, and you're less likely to play games. Research in psychology and aging shows that older adults handle conflict more calmly and communicate more effectively, and that leads to stronger, steadier relationships. Number four, self-awareness. By you 50s, 60s, and beyond, you have learned who you are. You have survived heartbreak, built resilience, and you're ready for something real. That self-awareness helps you attract partners who truly fit your values and your life today, not the person you were decades ago. And finally, number five, redefining love. Love looks different now than it did in your 20s. It's not about rushing or building a family. It's about companionship, joy, and shared experiences. An AARP survey found that over 70% of singles over 50 want emotional closeness and friendship, and that's exactly what lasting love is built on. So, no, it's not too late. Love after 50 is deeper, wiser, and often more fulfilling than ever before. So stay open to love, and your next chapter might surprise you. And if you need help, I'm here for you. If this message resonates with you, please follow for more on love, well being, and dating after 50. And if you would like little extra help building your confidence and connection again, download my free PDF guide, Your Best Profile Yet. Love and light. See you next time. Bye.